It's banana bread, the best banana bread in town. This banana bread comes with all the essentials. Bananas, bread, you can even eat it.
Isn't it awesome?
It's amazing!
And you can also have it with punch.
With punch. Punch.
Punch.
Who doesn't like punch?
Look at the punch. Look at the punch.
Look at it! Look at it!
Look at it.
And now look at the red punch, red punch, red punch, red
Buy
punch,
some.
red punch, red punch, red
Buy
punch,
some.
red punch. And even now, if you're still not with us, we'll throw in a deluxe coffee stir.
And the marshmallow.
If you're
Just
still not
one.
convinced, we'll give you some twinings of London Herbal Revive. What is this crap? I don't know. Never buy that.
Table not included.
Table also not included, especially not with a Mr. Coffee decaf coffee.
Mr. Coffee.
We love Mr. Coffee. Now Abby will now do the Mr. Coffee dance for you. Do the Mr. Coffee dance.
Mr. Coffee dance. Mr.
And no,
Coffee
we
dance.
are not just making this up. We totally did not just walk into our church to film random stuff. And
Mr.
Abby
Coffee.
is doing a real dance. That is not just made up.
Mr. Coffee. Mr. Coffee.
So why the banana bread? Because it's awesome and banana-y and bready and
Banana.
blank plate not included.
This plate not included.
No.
You have to have your own plate.
Yeah, you gotta find your own plate.
Own plate.
Own plate. Okay. Okay. So, bye from Cassidy and Abby. You gotta put your thumb up here.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay!
Yay. Buy some. Buy some.
Buy our products! Buy our products!
Mr. Coffee and peanut butter.